In the last video, we finished our blueprint by adding images to all of our exhibits. In this video, I'm going to show you how to start creating your map key and legend. So your visitors, when they visit your zoo, can use the map key to figure out which each one of these images represent. So the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to go to cell AH1. And in this cell, I would like us to type in map key / legend. Please make sure that the first letter of each word is capitalized because it is our title. After I'm done typing that in, I am going to click back on it and I want to bold and I want to make the font size 36. And I want it to be the same fill color that I used for my title for my ZOOVILLE Blueprint. So I used lime green, so I'm going to make it the same color. So you would do the exact same thing. Use the fill, make it whatever color that you used. Now don't worry that it's only in AH1 and your text goes all the way over to AV. We're going to merge and center that. So remember to merge and center. I'm going to go from the center of the cell. I'm going to highlight all the way over to AV. I'm going to go here to the merge button, and I'm also going to go to this center aligned button. Okay, so now my title should be merged and centered. Don't worry that the size is different between the blueprint and the legend. That's perfectly fine. The next thing that we're going to do is we are going to be creating our individual exhibit boxes for our map key and legend. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to do one box first, and then we're going to be copying and pasting. Our first box is going to be AH3. So AH3. I'm going to highlight all the way over to AN4. So I'm going to go all the way over to AN, and I'm going to go down one more, maybe 4. Okay, so this should be highlighted. I'm then going to go up to the border button. I'm going to click on the border. I'm going to go to the button that's just the outside border. I'm going to click on that. And I'm going to make sure that my thickness is the 3rd line. Okay, so if yours is not the 3rd line, please make it the 3rd line. So now I have one of these boxes. I need a total of 17 because I have 17 exhibits on my map. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight all of these boxes and I'm going to copy it. And then I'm going to skip a box and I'm going to go to AP3 and I'm just going to paste. So I now have a duplicate. Okay, so now I'm going to make 9 going down on this column and 8 in this column. So if I just highlight the left-hand column again, those boxes, you'll notice that there's a little blue square here in the corner. I'm going to click on the square and I'm going to drag it all the way down to row 20. So I'm just going to go all the way down to row 20. Make sure before you let go, it's on row 20. I'm going to let go and you'll notice it will duplicate everything. I'm going to do the same thing with the next one. I'm going to highlight, but instead of going down to 20, I'm going to go down to 18 because it's one shorter. And then I'm going to let go, and I have my map key started. In the next video, I will show you how to do the rest of your map key. So you can just stop here, finish your work, and go to the next video.